Recently, on my trip to Baler Aurora, I stayed at the Coastal Breeze Hotel. My total stay there was 4 nights. I had a standard room, queen size bed, air conditioning, hot shower, free Wi-Fi, and a TV. I booked through Agoda, and the total cost was 11,155 pesos, including the tax, or in US it was about $180 for the total stay, about $45 a night. The taxes unfortunately sort of bring it up a little bit. It would have been cheaper, but every place I think pretty much has a tourist tax or something. The room was perfect size for one person, but if you had more, you definitely want to probably upgrade to a larger room. The hotel is 2 blocks from the beautiful Baler Beach. There are many restaurants nearby. Coastal Breeze has their own restaurant there, so you don't even have to really go anywhere if you want to eat. There are trikes available, and the trikes will take you all over the area for tours and just to get you to the grocery store or wherever you need. The staff and hotel were great, and I highly recommend it. Until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.